So, good morning everybody. So a new update. This is the November update on the watch versus nature. And as you can see, this is a brilliant November morning. A little bit frosty on the ground. It's about 3 degrees Celsius and it's rising. And I'm out in the Swedish wilderness to see if I can find the watch and check up on it. Look at that frost. Isn't that beautiful? And look at the colors. And this is amazing. Oh, a little bit slippery also. There it is. Let's see how it's doing. Oh, it's still moving. It's still moving. Oh, it's ice. Look at that. That's cool. That's really cool, man. Looks like it's still going strong. I will check up on it in a few weeks. Let me know your predictions. How long do you think it will stay alive in the wilderness? Have a good day, guys.